So one of the requests came in our group by a parent by name Anusha Sriram from Abu Dhabi. They wanted to know how do they calculate the Rahu Kal for different location. Is it like standard time which I told in the previous video? Is it the same thing around the world, or what is the calculations behind? So that is what we are going to talk about today. I'll explain the detailed calculation here. So irrespective of wherever your location is, these times Rahu Kal or Yamagandam or Gulika or any other time, it is always calculated with the sunrise time, sunrise and the sunset. Okay. So now I'll explain you in a diagram so that you all can understand it, and you can calculate it anywhere in the world. You just need to know the sunrise and the sunset of that time. Today you can go into Google and type your city name and type sunrise and sunset. It will give you the complete details, okay, the accurate information you will get, and then you can do your own calculation, a simple formula. So you don't have to have an access to Panchangam or any other data with you. These two data, sunrise and sunset, of that location is more than enough for you to calculate. So now let's go into the explanation part of it. So what happens is, if you go there, now say we have Earth here, so sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So when you look deeper into it, sun will rise in the east and slowly it will travel all the way to the west side and it will sunset. So we know the starting and ending time of it. So now what we are going to do is, starting time and ending time, we are going to find the difference. What is the time difference between that? So you will get some reminder, right? For example, if it is sun rises in the morning and sun sets in the evening 6 o'clock, morning sunrise is 6 and evening sunset is 6 p.m., then the difference between that is 18 hours. So now the formula is very simple. You will have to divide that by 8. So if you divide the that evening 6 p.m. to morning 6 a.m., you will get 12 hours, and 12 divided by 8 is nothing but 1.3, 1.5 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes. So you will have to mark those divisions in your calendar. For example, from morning 6 till 7:30 it is one of the division or muhurt, and from 7:30 another 1.5 hours you add it, it will be 9. Like that you keep adding 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours, 1.5. These are the 8 different segments in your calendar of that particular day. So now the last important point is, for each day, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, you have certain segments. That particular segment will fall under Rahu Kal. So for each and every day it is clearly marked which segment it will be falling on it. So that day you should be taking it, and that will be what is counted. For example, if you take Sunday, it will be always in the last segment of it. So that is one thing. So like that you can calculate it according to your city. All you need is sunrise time and sunset time. I hope this clarifies all your doubts about Rahu Kal. You can calculate it anywhere you are. You just need to know sunrise and sunset time and what day it is. That is more than enough. I hope this will help you clarify your doubts, and you will be following it. And do share your experience, what happens during that time, and we'll meet you in another interesting topic. Bye.